What's up, YouTube? Another week here at Driver Motorsports. It's open house week, so we have a lot of prepping to do for that. I'm sure you'll see that on next week's episode, but it's fine. It's all good. Things you missed. Since the last video, a hurricane came through, and I think it brought fall with us, because you can see it's officially hoodie season, and we're all about it here. Woo!
It looks so good.
Let's see.
Dialing the fitment a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
Sound like Jacob already dialing us the fitment on the other side.
That's it. Look.
Thick boys.
Thick, high class.
So fire.
It goes hand in hand with the gold badging. Look at this.
Gold buttons.
Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, and another update is Hurricane, whatever his name is, Ian decided to show up on a Friday and blowing mailboxes around.
It's technically a tropical depression at this point. It's not a hurricane anymore.
Tropical depression.
I'm a meteorologist, you know.
Oh, yeah, we got this guy right here. Look at this. Straight art. Look at this. Got a showroom full of goodies. These two guys just hit the website today. I'm sure Kelvin's hitting a website out there somewhere today.
Oh, what, to what now? I did what to a website?
Yep, this is the one Jacob was putting bags on.
Bags.
Beautiful.
Hey, comment below if you guys want us to do a video on this car. I think
Comment.
we should do a video. Go ahead and put a comment below. If you don't want us to, if you want us to, just let us know.
Ladies and gentlemen, guess what? It is open house week. So this weekend, you're going to want to be here from 12 p.m. till 7 p.m. at 10611 Wards Road, Rustburg, Virginia, 24588, here at Driver Motorsports. Thank you, Ed. And we're going to have all kinds of stuff happening. You know, with all of our open houses, we'll have dyno runs happening. No, it's not open to public. Yes, we failed at making a dyno event this year.
It's not a car show. It's just a meet.
Yeah, it's just a car meet, not a car show. So
Come on out, hang
there
out.
will be people helping you park. There is a link in the description of this video to the Facebook event, which also has, you know, parking map and more information. We've got vendors, we've got food trucks. It's going to be a great time. You'll get to come play with me. And by that, I mean, throw me in the dumpster. Okay, we'll see you Saturday. That just came out. Sometimes, you know, you like,
Yeah,
you-
it came out.
sometimes your mouth starts talking and words start flowing, and then you're just like, well, I'll leave it out there.
You're really good at flowing.
We're gonna flow for days. Don't bother the haze.
Don't tase me, bro.
It's like when your dad starts rapping and you're just like, yeah, but I'm 32. You're 51.
So what? 34. I'm only 2 years older than you.
Oh man.
Yeah. See, I've reversed age. I've decided to just go down instead of up.
Easy Benjamin Button. Oh yeah, he's definitely young. You see those moves?
Yeah, I guess. Let's see what a stash looks like.
What are you doing?
I'm going to stash, boss.
Look at that. Oh, we got Goose come back here now, man.
Oh, Goose! Just. Oh! You want to show the camera these lights without showing the car?
Yeah, I can figure that out.
You could probably show the other one.
Great balls of fire.
You are now entering a trance. Has that not the trippiest thing you've ever seen and the most amazing thing you've ever seen?
It's beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Now watch this side with the parking lights going on.
Whoa. I knew I shouldn't have ate that cookie at lunch.
Shout out to Steve Mullins.
Steve.
Innovations.
Steve Mullins.
I haven't even messed with any of the show modes.
Good job, man.
Ooh. What we got going on here?
Trying to look at them.
Fabland. Mr. Wizard. Are you titty dancing right now?
Like The Rock.
Oh.
Don't you mean Terry Crews?
Like The Rock.
Does The Rock titty dance?
Yeah.
He can. He does in one of the Fast and
I
Furious
think as far
movies.
as titty dancing, I think Terry Crews does take the gold.
He does like.
He does it like all the time.
Yeah.
Like,
Terry Crews.
Terry Crews is on the Late Show.
Terry Crews, nice tits, bro. Terry Crews.
Terry Crews, if you follow us, which I'm pretty sure you don't,
No, you don't.
we wish you did.
I know you for a fact that you don't. The exclusive Fabland shirts.
Exclusive. There's only 3 in existence right now.
That's pretty dang exclusive.
Pretty.
I can't
exclusive.
wait to see them at the bowling alley together.
We are.
Josh just made a really funny joke, but you can't hear it.
What are you doing back here, Josh?
Well, so we were finishing up some stuff here, and we found broken connector and some other stuff, and letting Justin cut his fabrication type teeth, making some brackets for oil coolers and other stuff, and more or less just finished messing around on the dyno, and back over there at the car that shall not be named right now.
You can't see. You can't see. You can't see. Oh, can't see. Can't see.
Yeah, doing lots of wiry things. But, I love old Nissan stuff, wiring, whatever. So actually, what I'm doing is I created a switch panel to run all kind of factory dash stuff without using R32 auto climate control. So this one had some issues where the auto function wasn't working, some other things weren't working, and because we do custom, we heard you like TVs, and we're putting TVs on top of TVs with switches
And
to
your
get
wheels.
the job done.
Shout out West Coast Customs, putting TVs on TVs on TVs.
Yep.
I heard you like TV, so we put a TV in your TV.
New update. PowerTune Digital wasn't working. PowerTune Digital wasn't working for me, so Haltech got their goodies back in stock. Guess what we got?
Oh shoot!
IC7, baby.
Dang,
All that hard work,
boy.
All that hard work
PowerTune.
molding the PowerTune in. And I wanted to do Haltech to begin with, but yeah.
This is a ridiculous K-truck
It's pretty ridiculous.
in a good
It's
way.
got carbon fiber shift knob. That's how you know it's ridiculous.
I know,
It's a
that's like
it's a 6-speed swap.
a straight
Found that in
ridiculous.
our bin upstairs of this uselessness. Yeah, well, I mean, I couldn't help it. I was trying to find a shift knob that would fit the thread pattern, and I don't even know what the thread pattern is. But all my Nissan ones wouldn't work, so I imagine like you'd think it'd be the same as like a Toyota or something, but no. But my 6-speed D1 spec carbon shift knob, it's a good accent.
It's meant to be.
It's meant to be.
I think it's time to align this thing
Yeah,
again.
I think this time around I'm probably gonna let Caden's family do it.
That's a good idea.
Because they're actually professionals at bed lining, and my roll-on job lasted all of 3 months.
Yeah.
Granted, I don't know that I scuffed it well because I did it by hand instead of using a tool. I didn't have Justin over here to.
So we used one of the best tools we have, and that's Caden.
Yeah.
He's
well-
definitely a tool.
It's always super good banter when we go back there. I like the way he talks. Anyway, like Dan said, we have the open house Saturday from 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. It's going to be fun. It's more like a car meet. Josh and Devin are going to be picking random cars to go on the dyno. So you got that to look forward to. So definitely show up, show out, bring your friends, tell everybody. It's going down at Driver Motorsports Saturday. And if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the little bell icon in the corner, share it, send it to your friends, do us a favor, help us, do us a favor, not a favor, help us grow the channel. It's been on the rise lately, thanks to you guys. So, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.